Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I will show you the GLI car. It says Islamabad number and the car is total genuine. If you look at the car color, it's total genuine from outside and very nice rim and tire is in very good condition. And let's see inner side of this car. If you look at the car seats, interior is very nice. Look at the interior. It's very nice and total genuine. Manual, off market LED, AC heater is working. The car is on petrol, CNG not installed. Look at the backside car. The car is looking very beautiful. If you want to buy, you can call us on number we have displayed on our screen. You can call us if you want to buy this car. It's a 12 model GLI and the price of this car is 17 lakh rupees. You can call us and if you want to buy this car. Also subscribe our channel for more video. Thank you so much.